All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my fuel water separator. I'll put the Quicksilver part number and the Sierra part number in there.
A chat bot to answer.
You should do these every year. I'm gonna do it every 2 years. So I got a rag down here. You can use a plastic bag to catch any of the fuel. Basically, I'm gonna unscrew this. Okay. I already got it started. You can use a wrench though, or oil filter wrench. I already got mine started. So fuel might spill. That's why I got this rag here. Likely will. Try to get that out. Oh yeah, she's full of fuel. I'm gonna use the dipstick, little trick here, for a little oil on the new seal. That way the gasket doesn't bind up and stick, because you want it to spin on there smoothly. There we go. I usually go pretty hand tight on there, but make sure it's good. There we go. Fuel water separator done. Easy as that.